Welcome everyone, I'm a co-founder of Ariel Cities, the invitation-only VIP event for decision makers within the drone industry. This event is designed with a mindset of creating discussions and enabling discussions between city representatives, civil aviation authorities, drone service providers, and those executives from the drone ecosystem, hardware, software providers, and of course the users, the ones who will and already are using drone services within urban environments. This event will be extremely important this year because we will have multiple high-level stakeholders gathering in Bern, Switzerland. So I would like to share with you the opening panel speakers and how important and insightful will be that panel. So it will be about roles and responsibility of national, regional, local governments regarding the management of Ariel cities. So we will understand how different layers from the government should and work together to enable those services and how cross-functional collaborations are needed for those smart mobility services regarding drones and aerial operations. So I would like to announce the speakers. Darryl Abelscroft, who is the Deputy Director for Future of Aviation at the UK Department of Transport. Dr. Sebastian Friess, who is the President at Bern Economic Development Agency. Marcel Kägi, who is the Director of Aviation Policy and Strategy at the Division at Federal Office of Civil Aviation, Switzerland. Giovanni Di Antonio, who is an Aerospace Director at the Italian Civil Aviation Authority. And Eileen Quinlivan, who is the Assistant Chief Executive at Dublin City Council. The panel will be moderated by Lorenzo Murzilli, who is the co-founder of Ariel Cities and also founder of Murzilli Consulting, the outsourced regulatory department for drone companies and governments. Ariel Cities is an invitation-only event where we don't sell tickets. However, we invite decision makers to network and meet once a year in Bern, Switzerland. The event is a European event, and thank you if you join this year. Please feel free to fill the form if you aim to attend, and see you there.